All right, welcome back to another basics tutorial. Today we're going to do What a Beautiful Name It Is. We're doing the key of E because that's where I could sing it. Great song, great lyrics. Just love every song, every part of the song. It's just a great powerhouse song. Once again, it's an E, so we're using the 1 and the 4 and the 5 and the 6 and the 3, and sometimes I'll do the octave of those as it steps up and around, depending on where the song is and the dynamics of it. Anyways, I'm sure you guys already know this, but if you don't, have a listen, and then maybe you get a different idea in a different section. All good. Enjoy the song.
One, two. Verse 1, 2, 3, 4.
You were the Word at the beginning, one with God, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Verse 2.
You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater, and what could separate us now? What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Bridge.
Death could not hold you. The veil tore before you. The silence, the boast of sin and grave.
Bridge.
The heavens are roaring, the state of your glory. For you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. 'Cause yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. You have no rival. You have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom.
Isn't that a great song? Wow, what a powerful name it is. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Have a listen to it again. If you're not sure what all the numbers mean, go to the major scale and the Nashville number system video that I put out, and that'll give you the method that I'm using to keep all these songs easy and play them in any key. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe to the channel, push the like button, or don't, I don't care. Anyway, you guys have an awesome day. We'll see ya.